I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create compelling zoom effects in Canva. We'll dive straight into the process, showing you how to bring your designs to life with dynamic movement. Whether you're working on a presentation, a social media post, or a video, adding a zoom can significantly boost engagement. It's a straightforward technique that adds a professional touch, making your content more captivating for your audience. Let's get started and transform your static designs into something truly dynamic. To begin, select the specific element on your design that you want to zoom. This could be an image, text box, or graphic. Once selected, head over to the Animate tab located in the top toolbar of your Canva editor. Here, you'll find various animation options. Look for styles that naturally incorporate a zoom, such as rise or pan, which can give the illusion of an element moving closer or further away. Experiment with these to find the perfect fit for your visual story. After selecting an animation, you can often customize its settings. For instance, some animations allow you to adjust the speed or direction, giving you more control over the zoom's intensity. You might apply a rise animation to one element and a pan to another, creating a multi-layered effect. Always remember to preview your design to see how the zoom looks in action. This step is crucial for making any necessary adjustments and ensuring your visual flow is smooth and impactful. For a more controlled or dramatic zoom, consider duplicating an element and slightly increasing its size on subsequent pages or frames. This creates a manual, frame-by-frame zoom effect. Utilize the position tool to ensure perfect alignment as elements grow or shrink. When your masterpiece is complete, export your design as a video or a GIF. This ensures that all your carefully crafted zoom animations are preserved and play seamlessly, ready to impress your audience with dynamic visual storytelling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.